Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children. Now I will tell you how to read the poem. As you people know, yesterday I have completed this poem and the name of the poem is what? Sticky Licky. So you all have to open page number 6. What is the page number in your test books? Page number 6 in your English test book. Hope all have opened page number 6. Now here you can see children, to make you easy to by heart the poem. Poem ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ by heart ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, easy ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So this is the very good that I will teach you today how to by heart the poem easily. Okay. I will tell this poem by singing a song. ಹಾಡು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So that even you can easily by heart it. Okay. Sticky Licky. In the summer when it's sunny, eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drips so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and licky, but when it drips you get sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hairs and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess. Okay. So like this way you can sing this poem by the song and you can make it very easy. Once again I will sing this so that you can follow my tone. In the summer when it's sunny, eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drips so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and licky, but when it drips you get sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hairs, up and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess. Okay. So like this way you can by heart this. And children, here now there is one activity for you people in the test book, that is page number 7. Okay. This activity na ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, what you all have to do with this activity? I hope your parents are with you. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕರೆಸ್ರಿ, so that they can listen to me what I am explaining. Yes. So here this is the activity that they have given in page number 7. What is the page number? Page number 7. Page number 7. Yes children. Here you can see they have given here you can see children this main. The names of the months have fallen off that calendar. Write them in the complete order. Complete order means you can see here the boxes are given here. Yes children, the boxes are given, but only few months have been entered. That is 4th month, that is April, and 9th month is September. Only these 2 months have been entered in this box. So what is your work? You have to write all the 12 months. All the 12 months in the box. Like the first one is what here? January, then February, then March, April is already there, May, June, then July, August, September is there, October, November. Now the running month is which month? November. November and then December. Here they have given the spellings. You can see here. This is what? December. This May, January, July, March, and then October, and then June, November, February, and then August. These are the spellings they have given in the box. So now what is your duty? You have to arrange these months in the serial order. You have to arrange these months in the serial order by writing in that box. This is test book work. ಹೌದಾ ನೀವು ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ next is what, next work I will give you. What you will have to do, you will have to take a card sheet. Okay children, take one card sheet and draw a kite in that card sheet like this way. And here you can draw a eye for this like this way, and here you can draw the face how you like. And here this will be the long tail. Okay, ಇದೇನಿರ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬಾಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. There will be a long tail in this kite. So here what you have to do, you have to cut the size, equal size papers for all the months, 12 size like this way. January, February, March, April, May, okay, June, July, like this way you all have to cut. And then in this you have to write with neat handwriting, January. Like this way you all have to write all the 12 months. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕೈಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ ಕೈಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೈಟಿನ ಬಾಲನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ಲೇನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಗಲ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಆಲ್ 12. 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ನೋ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 12 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 year. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ 12 pieces like this way. And then you have to write all the names from January to February and then stick on that tail. ಬಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And then put on the wall in your home. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆಗೆ, ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ವಾಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಗೋಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್, and then you have to take one photo and send me on WhatsApp with your name. This is the small and cute activity that your parents can do. With the help of your parents, you all can do it. Yes or no? ಅತಿ ಚಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಭಾಳ ಚಂದಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಚಂದಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದ ಕೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ, and then draw eyes for that, nose for that, mouth for that, and draw long tail, and then cut it in the equal pieces, 12 pieces. Give the small border for these pieces with the light marker, and then write nicely, very nicely write the names with capital letters in the pieces of the card sheet, and then stick them in the, stick those papers, 12 months papers to that tail of the kite, and then stick that kite on your wall. And then what you all have to do, you all have to click one photo and send me this activity on my WhatsApp with your name. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ now here you can see that is second one. Rohin has just come back after playing. He is quite dirty. What are the things he will use to clean himself? Circle them. So who is here? Rohin. The name of the boy is what? Rohin has just come back from playing. Just ಈಶನ ಈಗಿನೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದ, ಆಟ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. He had just come back from just after playing. He is quite dirty. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಟ ಆಡಿ 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 ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಡರ್ಟಿ. ಡರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಗಲೀಜ. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ. ಹಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹಿಸ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಹಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್? ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹೋಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್? That we have to circle here in the picture. Here you can see what is there first? Towel, and then soap, and then a piece of a cake pastry, and then a glass of water, and then this is what? A flower, sunflower. Then this is what? A pillow, and this is what? A pant a soap. This is sponge and this is the soap. So when you come outside after playing, when you come home, then when you want to get very clean and smart, you want to look, then what you do? What are things you use? When your hands is very dirty, when your legs are very dirty, when you are sweating more, your hairs have become something what? So you want to look very clean and fresh now. So once you play and come, then what are things you need to get clean, children? Yes. The first thing you need a water. Or first as soon as you come, you say, Mummy, then you take a glass of water and you drink the water. Yes or no? Yes. Then next what you do? Then next you wash your hands and legs. To wash your hands and legs you need water. In what you will pour the water? You will pour the water in the bucket. Bucket. Yes. So here. Then next after cleaning you will remove your clothes and you will throw for washing. You will tell Mama, Mummy, ba ho sake. Then you wear the new clothes. Fresh washed clothes. Yes or no? Yes. So then after washing hands, to wipe your body, what you need? Wipe andre enu varskodu. To wipe your body, what you need? You need a towel. You need a towel to wipe your body. So what all things we need, that things we have to circle. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಆ ವಸ್ತುನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. So here you can see first one is here, that is a 1 minute children. Yes, see here, first one we need what? Bucket, because we can pour water in the bucket itself. Then after that we can have a soap. Then we need a towel to wipe the body. Then after that we need a clothes to wear. Then after this next we need a glass of water to drink. So these are the things we need when we come outside after playing. First we need a bucket to pour the water. Then when we put the water on our body, we need a soap to apply to the body. And then after once we are washed, then we need a towel to wipe our body. Then what we need after wiping our body, we need a clothes to wear. Yes or no? Then last, once we are fresh, what we do? We drink a glass of water. So this was the small activity that we have completed today. Yes children? And now I will give you some of the words. Okay children, some of the words. See here. So these words you first see children how to write the poem in your textbook, in your notebook. You have to write this poem in your notebook. But when you are writing the poem, you have to take very good care how to write the poem. This one time I will show. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೊದಲು ಪೋಯಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್, that is sticky, leaky with the date when you receive the video. The next, this is the 4-line book. Here, the first one is what they have given there. There you can see into your textbook. That is in the summer. I capital, first letter children. In. 3 lines capital in. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೋ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಮರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ in keep one leave some space and write the summer SUM ER summer in the summer when it's sunny again W capital to the next line when it's sunny SUNNY when it's sunny eating ice cream eating ice cream eating ice cream can be funny can be funny yes now after this you have to leave a one line ಬಿಡಬೇಕು then go to the next I am not having place children. I will write here, but ನೀವು continue ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay? So here, ice cream melts. I capital again. Ice cream. Ice cream melts and drips so fast and drips so fast. I am not having pace. No space is there for me. ನನಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ತಳಗಡೆನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ drips so fast it's quite hard again capital I it's comma quite hard to make it last to make it last. To make it last. Last. The next line. It's so lovely. Again, I capital apostrophe S. It's so lovely. Lovely. Sweet and licky. Sweet and licky. But when it drips, but when it drips, comma, You get sticky. You get sticky. You get sticky. The next, I get ice cream. Next line. You have to write continue there only, children, remember. See, next. I get ice cream on my clothes. I get ice cream on my clothes. On my, in my hairs. I am in my hairs and up my nose and up my nose. The last is next. My dad says, my dad says, I should eat less. I should eat less. Less. Ice cream plus me. Ice cream plus me equals mess. Equals mess. All capital letter. This was the poem. So you all can write this poem as I have written. So once let us revise now. In the summer when it's sunny, eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drifts so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and leggy, but when it drips, you get sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hairs and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess. So this is what, children, you all have to write in your notebook. Same matter you have to write in your notebook, and the homework is the same as classwork. One time. Same as classwork. One time you have to write. This is classwork. One more time you have to do it as a homework. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Have a great day and read the poem. Okay. Complete the textbook activity and do the activity with the kite and then complete the poem. Thank you, children. Have a great day.
the summer when it's sunny. Eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drips so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and licky, but when it drips, you get sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hair and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess.